Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to check the battery health on your iPad. So any iPad model is supported. Let's get started. So Apple have blocked the on-device method of checking the battery health. Usually you go to settings, battery, and then there's a battery health toggle right here. This means that in order to check the battery health, you will need access to a Windows computer. If you do not have access to a Windows computer but only have a Mac, you will need to set up Boot Camp on your Mac computer. Just search up how to set up Boot Camp inside of YouTube. If you don't have access to either a Mac or Windows computer, you will need to either borrow one from a friend or just go to a store which has display computers available. If you are unable to do that, you will not be able to check the battery health on your iPad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to my computer and I'm going to show you the next steps we need to follow in order to check the battery health. On your Windows computer, there's only one link you need. It will be in the description down below. What you want to do is just click on the download, and then the download free tools will start. Once free tools is downloaded, set it up, and once it's set up, just open up the free tools application. So I've now opened it up, and you can see, please connect iDevice to PC using USB cable. So the next step is just connect your iPad to the computer. Now, I'm just going to do this right now, and everything should work perfectly fine. If it doesn't work perfectly fine, check your iPad, you may see a trust pop-up. If you see the trust pop-up, just tap on trust and enter in your passcode. Make sure your iPad's unlocked as well. If that still doesn't work, there should be an option which says repair driver inside of free tools. All you need to do, click on repair driver, install all of the drivers which are missing, and then retry the process. Once you've done that, everything should be fully working and you should see your iPad show up right here. So the important part is the battery life. Just click on details. And so at the top, this shows the current charge of your iPad. Mine's at 49%. But the part which shows the battery health, which is the reason why you watch this tutorial, is right here. So it says battery life, but this is the actual battery health. And you can see on my M1 iPad Pro, I have 100% battery health. Now, if you want to see some more details, you can see the design capacity and the actual capacity. Now, one thing you may note is if you have a brand new iPad, your actual capacity sometimes will be higher than the design capacity. That's because the design capacity is, the minimum level which iPads will ship with. However, sometimes a battery may be made and it may actually hold more capacity than it's made for. And that's perfectly fine. If you see that, that's good. Essentially, your battery will just last longer. So that's really it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.